life hack, another flashlight life hack. So you probably got something that looks like this, you know, a little handheld pocket purse flashlight. And these little guys, they run off of one of these things, these AAAs in a holder. So that's, you know, 4.5 volts. So AAAs, and depending, I think this is like a 1 watt flashlight. They don't last very long, especially if you're one of them cheapskates that buy them cheap dollar store carbon batteries. Not even an alkaline, it's a carbon battery, which is real junk. Or you're one of them tightwads that, you know, you use all your China Pride batteries that you get for free. So you know how expensive AAA batteries, especially if you buy brand names, you know, like Duracell, Energizer, Rayovac, whatever, house brand or Amazon Basics or something like that. It gets kind of costly to buy AAA batteries and stick them in a flashlight, and they don't last very long. So this life hack, we're going to eliminate this. Well, what are we going to use to substitute? Well, you can actually use a substitute. And these are, and you can find these in your garden centers, Walmart and Lowe's and stuff like that. These are 18500s. So I do believe that these are protected cells or not, but it doesn't really matter, because by the time you notice that this thing is pretty dim, you're gonna be able to recharge it. So that's one additional thing you'll have to have, is some kind of a charger. But usually you can get them inexpensive little USB chargers for almost nothing. They're all over Amazon and eBay. You get something like this to recharge them. It's a USB powered charger. So when you're shopping, like these particular ones, they got a little nipple on the top, or a button to like a standard battery. But sometimes you'll get 18500s, they got flat tops. So if you just happen to have them laying around, what you'll have to do for this hack is you'll have to like put a little solder blob on the positive side, or sometimes on a negative side too, to make sure that the contacts inside there and on the tail cap make connections. So it's just a drop-in thing, and it's going to be a little rattly, but that's fine. Just stick it in there. And now you got a rechargeable flashlight, and you can have this for a backup, with fresh alkalines in case you need it. Because eventually if you deplete the rechargeable battery, you got a backup with your crappy alkaline batteries or your cheap dollar store batteries that'll last you about 10 minutes, and then you're in the dark again. So that's it for this little flashlight life hack. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.